strength. Power is energy. It makes you move. It makes you groove. Power is in light. Power is in the sun. Food has power. The trees have power. Power is in you. Power is in me. Power, 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 power. Everyone has their own power. There's not one person with all of it that tells you what to do. You have the power to talk, to walk, to speak your mind. Use your power and stand up for your rights.
Stop the beat. This is different. What is justice? 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 We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.
Give me my voice, my knowledge, and my life back. Too bad, it's something that I've never lacked. More precious than anything material. Something you don't have to prove is real. Justice.
One must define what is right and what's not, be it speeches or actions or thought. I always see justice as used as a shield, the go-to method for comments at will.
What is justice? What is justice? What is justice? What is justice? We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.
Justice is a basic right.
that should be available to everyone and everything.
Everyone in the world has their own beliefs.
That's the meaning of justice.
Wow.